Alright, Top. Yeah. With my genius IQ, I have created this portal. It can lead you to an alternate universe, but I don't know if it's safe or not. So I'm using it as my lab rat to test if it's safe. You want to do that?
I go hard in the mother. Portal, Ben. You thinking, Ben? What the? You thinking, Ben?
Alright, here we go.
Oh, oh, oh. Did it work? Did it work?
People, let me tell you about my best friend.
Oh, Brian.
Oh, Jeffrey.
I can't wait for the game letter. Later, I'm going to call everything so fairly.
I don't like this alternate universe. Straight. Is that you, straight? You're hooking up with another girl?
I'm sorry, man.
You are so straight, man. He sinks, baby. He sinks. Like, grams of misery? Grams of misery.
Stop criticizing me for everything I do. I'm trying to come out of my shell, but you keep on shutting me down.
Okay, guys. Who stole the money and then returned it? You steal the money, I want you to take it. Who returned it?
It was me.
I did
Join us in the fight against violence.
Hey, violence!
We hate you.
Whoa. Heber, Uncle Hebo, what are you guys doing? Why are you so energetic? We can day off.
Wait, what? Sturman? Why you guys being so calm?
We are connecting with our inner chi.
Oh, what's up, Daddy?
Oh, I love you too. I miss you too. Yeah, weren't we the best seniors ever? Just everywhere, playing lax, doing a little this, a little that. Yo, what's up, dude? Alright. Remember 07? Best year. Alright, man.
This is an opposite,